How to set live wallpaper on PC Windows 11. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set live wallpapers on your PC Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Microsoft Store. You can simply go to the search bar, type in Microsoft Store and simply open it over here. And then you gotta go to the search bar and type in lively. Simply type in, press enter. And once you do so, you'll be able to see this that says lively wallpaper. There are numerous others that you can download, but I recommend this one because it is really easy to use. So simply click on lively wallpaper and you can simply click on download option over here, or you can click on get. Simply wait for it to get downloaded. So once you have downloaded it, simply click on open and wait for the application to be launched. And now there are numerous built-in wallpapers that you can use. So let's say if you like this wallpaper, so you're going to simply click on these three dots or whichever you like. So let's say we're going to select this one over here. So you're going to click on these three dots, and once you do so, you'll be able to see this option that says set as wallpaper. So simply click on it, and then we'll just minimize it, and here you can see that this is the wallpaper. And now this is live wallpaper that as I move my cursor, the wallpaper moves as well. So that's pretty cool. And now let's just go back to the application. And if you want to customize the wallpaper, such as change the colors, you can simply click on these three dots. So there are numerous options. In some of the devices, you'll be able to see option of customize. But with the new update, we are having edit. So you're going to click on edit, and then you'll be prompted to another interface like this. So you can change the title, you can change the website, you can change whatever you want about this. You can also simply, paste in the new wallpaper. Like you can see that this wallpaper was taken from this website, that is GitHub, JP Weeks Particulate Medusa. So if you wish to change it, then you can simply paste in another website. Now, let's say you don't want any wallpaper from over here. You wish to add any wallpaper from your own PC. You can click on add wallpaper, and then you can simply drag drop the wallpaper over here, or you can choose any file, or you can simply enter URL. Just paste in the website or the source of the video. You can also click on advanced in order to create a dynamic wallpaper yourself using the depth wallpaper feature. Also, if you have numerous PCs, such as you have numerous accounts on the same device, then you can change wallpaper in each of them. To do that, click on active wallpapers over here, and then you can select many screens. Right now I'm having only one screen, so you'll be able to see numerous screens over here, and then you can choose in which screen you want which wallpaper. So that's basically how you can add a live wallpaper on your Windows 11. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.